Hey y'all, so I'm back in the shop today with my dad to put together this little wooden privacy fence that Beaver sent over for us to try out. We were tired of staring at the well in the backyard, so we wanted something to just put around it that we could cozy it up with flowers later. So this thing was very easy to put together. You literally just put the legs up and then you slide these slats of wood right into it. They even come with the little Jenga looking spacers that you put in between of it. So it was very easy to put together. My dad and I had it together in less than 15 minutes, and that was with us talking and visiting. But you can either shape it into like an L shape, a U shape, or you can go just straight across. It's up to you because the legs have the grooves to shape it however you want, but it can really make a space look cleaner and less cluttered. What we really like is that it's actually made of real wood and it feels solid, not flimsy, even though it's a smaller little privacy fence. It doesn't bend or crack when the weather changes, and it stays put even on windy days thanks to the metal stakes that it comes with that you can just push right into the ground. Like I said, later on, I think my mom's going to cozy it up with a few little flower beds going around it, but all in all, it brings a little bit of warmness and coziness around the well. We love it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.